Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. Today I'm going to show you how to play PS5 games offline when you don't have internet connection. Before that, if you are new to the channel, please like the video and subscribe the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. On the home screen, click on the setting icon on the upper right corner to access settings menu. Once you are in settings, switch to users and accounts. Inside users and accounts, switch to other section. Here you will see an option called console sharing and offline play. Go ahead and click on that. Now make sure this setting is enabled for your main PlayStation Network account, the one you use to buy and download your games. This step is key. Once it's turned on, it tells your PS5 that it's allowed to launch and play digital games without needing to check in online every time. To check if everything works, go back to settings, select network, then settings, and disconnect your PS5 from the internet. Now try launching one of your digital games. If it opens just fine, congratulations, you are officially set up for offline play. And that's it. Simple, quick and super useful. Make sure you enable offline play before you lose your internet, not after. And if you find this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy PS5 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.